Hi guys, I'm back with another mini. So I have on one coat of Halo Taco Pilly Base on top of my builder gel application, and then we're going to use a color from Color My World Dips called Lapis. It's chunky, it comes in chunky and I think fine. So I chose the chunky version. It's a really dark navy blue dip powder color, chunky glitter. And so Color My World Dips is a shop on Etsy, one of my favorite Etsy shops to purchase dip powder from. I have a large collection from Color My World Dips, so I need to get into my large collection. I will also be using Color My World Dips Odorless dip liquids, which these are my favorite odorless dip liquids. They haven't failed me yet. They work well. So we're going to go ahead and get into this dip powder application, so just hang out with me. So you'll notice with the first layer of glitter dip powder, not a lot picked up on the nail, not a lot picked up, and that is perfectly fine. With the second layer, when I'm using chunky dip powder, I always lay my finger flat. It works well. It picks up significantly more dip powder on the nail and those larger glitter pieces. And if after the second application you're still not satisfied, you can go in and individually place the larger glitter pieces on the nail. Look how pretty that is. I thought this was pretty. Of course, blue is my favorite color, and so you don't find a lot of dark navy glitter dip powders. And so when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I want that. And so with both my pointer finger, or actually all my nails, I noticed that I didn't get enough base in near the cuticle area, or some of the side area near the cuticle. I didn't see, like there on my middle finger, just missing completely. But overall, I thought it was pretty good. Overall. So you always want to encapsulate glitter, dip powder, and clear. And so I'm using Color My World Dips Clear. I have this powder brush pen that I bought off Amazon. Excuse me. Gosh, 2 years ago, but I'm just now using it. I should have left it back in the package. Color My World Dips does sell one, but I really don't see the benefit. I could easily use a salt spoon or pipette to apply clear dip powder. So you put the clear dip powder in the inside of the powder brush pen. It's a great concept, but again, not for me. And so you push the little button at the bottom of the powder pen, and you hold it over the tray and you apply that to the nail. And it was a little tricky because that little pen, even though I was pushing it in, the dip powder wasn't coming, the clear dip powder wasn't coming out. And I was like, what the heck? Learning curve, but I think it's a waste of time. And it got powder everywhere. Again, my pipette worked better. Will I use it again? Probably not. Let me be clear, probably not. So once I encapsulate all of the nails, I'm going to remove excess dip powder and apply activator, which will cure or harden the dip powder in preparation for filing and buffing. And typically I wait 5 to 10 minutes after I apply the activator to file and buff my nails, which I will do off camera. So these are my nails after filing and buffing. I'm applying a layer of activator, and then I'm going to remove excess activator with the lint-free wipe, and then I'm going to apply Color My World Dips Odorless top coat to the nails. I'll apply 2 coats of that to my nails. So after I get that second coat of top coat, I place my hand nails in front of my USB desk fan just to help for drying, because odorless dip liquids take longer to dry. So once my nails dry down, I apply my favorite cuticle oil. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and if you've used Color My World dips and what do you think about them, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $9.99. And so I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.